Good morning, good morning, good morning, man. This is for the culture. Okay, so um, we're in Raleigh, North Carolina. All right, good morning, y'all. Let me wake up. So we're in Raleigh, North Carolina. All right. Yesterday was a success. I drove 11 hours yesterday, man. So I'm getting my time in, man. So that's a real good thing. It was raining throughout Georgia, but no problem, man. No problem at all. We did run into a problem this morning, man. We put in the wrong address. So we had two drops today, right? We had one drop on one side and one target, and then another drop at another location, man. We put the second location first. So we're at the second location, man. We really did, we made a phone call, to dispatch and let them know what the situation was. Real cool thing about that, man, dispatch went on and made the necessary phone calls and said it's okay to go ahead and make our second drop first, man. So shout out to dispatch and CR England, man. Y'all are the best, okay? But yeah, man, but everything's good, man. Like I said, my trainer, man, he's an awesome guy, man. He is the best out there, if you ask me. I'm well rested, man. I'm getting my hours in, getting the grasp of the paperwork, and the only thing I'm finding a little problem with is the touch screen Qualcomm. Man, I'm only on 15% too. That touch screen Qualcomm, I'm having some trouble with that, man. I'm not getting the response that I'm looking for, man, while touching that screen. But I'm gonna talk about that at a later time, man. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm getting my time in. I drove 11 hours yesterday. I think 10 hours the day before, man. So man, we're making this thing happen, man. And we're in Raleigh. We make two drops, man. Then we're gonna make those two drops. Then we're gonna head back down to Lake City, Florida. It is a little chilly out here. It's sort of what's the word that I'm looking for? It's sort of a challenge, coming from Florida up to North Carolina because of the weather difference, because of the weather. It's sort of a challenge when you come from Florida to North Carolina because of the different temperatures. But we're maintaining, man. We're going to get this thing. Hey, we're going to make it happen, dog. And that's for sure. That is for sure, man. But like I said, man, I'm here, man. We getting this truck unloaded. We handling business. And I need to use the restroom while I'm here, man. I'm going to holler at you. All right, man. So we made it to our second destination. We're getting unloaded right now, man. I'm doing my pre-trip. As you can see right here. Right. It's a beautiful day today, man. Real nice day. Sunny day, real clear. Weather's nice. I'm bundled up because I'm a Floridian, But it's a really nice day today, man. Everything's going smooth so far. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna be headed back. I'm gonna be driving from here on out, taking it back to Florida with an empty trailer. I think he's slick. He getting the loaded trailer. Loaded trailer is much easier to handle than the empty trailer. He thinks he's slick. I know what he's doing. But it's all good though. But yeah, man. Shoot. What else can I say, man? It's a smooth day right now, man. So far, man. Hey, it's for the culture. We getting it done, man. I love that view in the background. Y'all see that? That is pretty. Yeah. Check me out. All right, man. This is for the culture. As you can see, the background, man, it's a pretty nice day today. Oh wow, sun just went in. Okay, but we just left. This is a pilot, I believe. with a Hardee's, Carl Rogers, Carl Jr.'s, Hardee's, yeah, Hardee's. All right, so we're at the Pilot in somewhere in North Carolina, right outside of Raleigh. We're headed back to Lake City, Florida to pick up our next 4 load. I'm going to be dropping them off in Augusta, Lexington, Summerfield, and North Charleston. I know those areas quite well. I'm born and raised in that region right there. So I'm behind the wheel right now. My partner here be in the sleeping area, you know, taking a nap. But yeah, man, and I should be driving at least but yeah, man, everything's smooth so far, man. Had a chance to drive in the city a little bit. Some city driving, that was pretty cool. Yeah, man, just a great experience. Let me tell you, man, those back roads in North Carolina, absolutely wide open spaces. I can't believe how amazing, you know, the scenic route was. Man, that's the reason why I wanted to be a driver in the first place. But anyway, it's getting kind of windy out here, so let me go ahead and finish this thing on up. And I'm gonna go ahead and holler at y'all a little bit later, man. Hey, this is for the coach. Hey, man, I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick one. This one's gonna be on a shower review, or this one's gonna be a truck stop review. So I was just in the Yemassee Loves. Can y'all see that? Loves. There it is right there. Y'all see the sign? Loves. I didn't get anything to eat, but I did stop in the showers. And let me tell you, man, they probably got the best showers that I've seen so far, man. So much space in there. Spacious, man, and it's clean. It's almost like it's a brand new truck stop, man. You know, you step in there, and like I said, there's so much space. It's almost like a living room or something, man. Only thing missing in there is like a small screen or a big screen TV, man. That's the only thing that's missing in there, man. A++ Loves, Yemassee, South Carolina, man. Hey, what can I say? I love it in there, bro. I almost fell asleep. I really did. But yo, that's me giving my update and review. If y'all ever in South Carolina, towards the low country of South Carolina, hey, stop at that Love's truck stop, man. You won't be disappointed. One.